guys, and welcome back. And if you are new, welcome. It is so good to have you, and I hope you'll hit that subscribe button before you guys leave. So I just wanted to come on here really quickly and share a great, awesome deal with you guys. And it is at Family Dollar, and it is on the OxiClean. You can get the laundry packs, or you can get the OxiClean laundry detergent, and it is 26 loads. And these are 18 count. So the deal is they are $3.95 this week. And we have the $3 off smart coupons. The coupons went through perfectly. Had no trouble. I did have 4 accounts. So I picked up 4. Also, another thing I want to tell you guys is check your clearance at Family Dollar. Because I found some really cute items. This is a little ceramic bunny. It was $1, but it was half off, so it was 50 cents. And I got 3 of those, one for each of my kids. Then I got this Let's Go on an Egg Hunt, and it is teal, and it's got this gold, and it was also 50 cents. And then I got this. It's like a pale pink. It's really not showing up on camera, but it is a pale pink, and it says Happy Easter, and it also is gold, and it was 50 cents. So, guys, thank you so much for watching. As always, give this video a big thumbs up if you've enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe, guys. Bye.